As the second largest criminal enterprise on the planet next to narcotics distribution, the Philippines is estimated to have some 60 to 100,000 children caught in the web of sex or labor trafficking. But while the number of sexually exploited or trafficked kids has gone down since 2022, children exploited for drudgery and trafficked for slave work in and outside the country continue to add up. Our Luisa Erispe has more on the Justice Department Summit for Children aimed at awareness and reporting cases.
The Department of Justice, or DOJ, has launched a three-day summit that aims to intensify the fight against abuse of children. Along with the celebration of the Children's Month this November, the DOJ aims to create a whole-of-government approach to fight and put a stop to the abuse and exploitation of children.
Binibigyan natin ng dagdag na pansin to kasi hindi lang naman flood control ang pinag-uusapan. Dapat wag natin tayong malilingat dun sa mga ibang usapin. At isa sa mahalagang usapin, ito sa mga kabataan.
Based on data, there is a slight decrease in cases of abuse of children from 2022 to 2024. However, there are still several cases on child labor. The DOJ aims to inform and educate the public on what kinds of abuse there are and where it actually starts. This is a way to stop these kinds of crimes. Same with the cliche that says prevention is better than cure.
Hindi nila alam, masama na pala yung ganun. Hindi alam ng mga magulang, hindi alam ng mga tiyuhin, hindi pala yung mga simpleng biro. Aba, si Ine, oy, lumalaki na ang ganto, ang dibdib. Diba? Meron na palang epekto. Yung mga nakagawian natin, baka ito yung panahon, reset tayo. Kaya nga summit Ang konsepto ng summit, umupo tayong lahat.
The DOJ also wants a concrete and fast solution to complaints related to abuse of children.
Ang spectrum na to talaga is para ma-address yung the whole journey. Education. Let me just discuss more, Education. Paano natin tuturuan? Hindi lang mga taong bayan, pati mga nasa gobyerno. Turuan yung basic protocols pag meron nang ni-report na insidente.
According to the DOJ OIC Secretary Yusek Frederick Vida, 33.62% of the population are composed of the youth in the Philippines, and this sector is what our country should be protecting from perpetrators around the globe. Luisa Erispe from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.